If you have been looking at the Beginners Faceless Starter Pack and thinking, okay, but what's actually inside? Is it worth the investment? Will I know what to do with it after I buy? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to open the pack and walk you through the main sections step by step, so you can see what's inside, how it's organized, and how it can help you if you are a mom who wants to start a simple digital product business from home. Let's go inside the pack.
Welcome to the Rich Moms Movement.
Hey Earthlings, welcome back to another video. So I wanted to do a quick walkthrough the Beginners Faceless Starter Pack so that you see what's in it. So if you missed my previous video, you do not know what I'm talking about. So basically, this is a done-for-you business starter kit. I created it for moms who want to start earning from home with digital products and faceless content but do not know where to begin, because I know how overwhelming this can feel. One person is telling you to create products, another person is telling you to post every day, someone else is telling you to use AI, Canva, TikTok, Instagram, funnels, email lists, etc., etc. And you are just thinking, where do I start? That is why I wanted this pack to be simple. It gives you products, guides, content, and support, so you are not starting from scratch. So when you go into the starter pack, what you see is the welcome letter. This is where I explain to you why I created the pack, who it's for, and how I want you to use it. I also added a bit of my personal background to it so that you get a full view of why I actually created this. So it was created for moms who want to try something new but maybe feel tired, nervous, overwhelmed, or unsure. The next page is basically how to use this guide. This is very important because I do not want you to open the pack and feel lost. You start with foundation, setup, monetization, content and traffic, Canva basic, and then the bonus section. My advice is really do not rush through everything. Like I said, this is not created for you to feel overwhelmed, but it's created with a certain structure so that you can actually follow it step by step. Start from the beginning, follow the flow, take it one section at a time. You do not have to finish everything in one day, really. So let's move on to the section foundation. This is where I want you to start before jumping into selling. Inside this section, you get 2 mini courses. The first one is Master Your Mindset. And I know mindset can sound so very basic, but honestly, it really matters, because a lot of people do not quit because their business is impossible. They quit because they feel behind. They think, who am I to sell something online, basically. And that's why this section is very important, to get your mindset straight. This section helps you to start with the right thinking. The second mini course is Digital Marketing 101. This is for beginners. It explains what digital marketing is, how people find products online, and how content can bring people to your offer. So before you start posting or selling, you understand the basic. Nothing complicated, just the foundation. And mind you, these are all video mini course. So basically, you just go through listening to it. You can listen to it while doing the dishes or while driving to the dentist with the kids, whatsoever. So that brings us to section 2. Section 2 is setup. This is where you start building the business side. Inside this section is the Faceless Business Setup Guide. This guide walks you through things like how to create and prepare your first digital product, how to set up your online store, how to price your products, and how to deliver it. The goal here is to help you set up something in simple and clear, not perfect, not fancy, just a starting point that works, because sometimes we delay starting because we think everything needs to look perfect first. But you just need to start properly, then improve as you go. I have worked on this beginner starter pack for about 3. I have about 3 versions of it. First version was pretty simple. I started introducing it on TikTok, going on TikTok live and like just basically going through it with people, etc. And then I improved it, and then I started right here on YouTube. So this is to tell you that it doesn't have to be perfect from the beginning. You just need to start and improve as you go. So then we go to step 3, which is monetization. This is where we talk about what you can actually sell. The first thing inside is a 220 done for you digital product. These include planners, journals, trackers, and other digital products pages. You can use them as a starting point, rebrand them, customize them, and sell them. This is helpful because you do not have to sit there thinking, what should I create? How should it look like? What pages do I need? You already have the product to start with. You also get 500 digital products idea. This is for when you want to create your own product later or expand into different niches. For example, budget planners, meal planners, travel planners, kids activity pack, business templates, wedding checklist, self-care journal, and many more. So even after you start, you are not stuck wondering what to create next. And if you're stuck, you can always contact me and we'll go through it together. Section 4 is about content and traffic. This section is important because having products is one thing, but people need to know they exist. Inside this section, you get 1,400 pre-made faceless videos. These are videos you can use for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. You do not have to show your face. You do not have to film yourself. You do not have to start from a blank screen. You can use these videos as content ideas, post them as they are, or customize them to fit your branding. This is especially helpful if you're a busy mom and you do not have hours a day to create every single content. Obviously, you can create your own personal content to mix up with it, but you do not, for the days that you do not have motivation whatsoever, you can also use these. You also get a faceless TikTok marketing guide and a faceless Instagram marketing guide. These guides help you to understand what to post, how to use the platform, and how to bring attention to your post without showing your face. Again, this is not magic. You still have to show up and post, but it gives you a much easier starting point, because basically if you're selling your car and you do not show it to people, you do not tell anybody about it, probably nobody's going to buy the car. So that's it also with digital products. If you have a product and you want to sell it whatsoever, you need to put it in front of people and you need to be consistent. So in this case, everything is pre-created for you. You just have to post it. Section 5 is Canva Basic. This is for you if you're new to Canva or you feel like designing is not your thing. Canva is the tool you can use to edit your product, customize your templates, create graphic, and make your brand look more professional. In this section, you'll be walked through the basic, like how to open and edit a template, how to create colors, font, how to add your brand name, how to resize, design, and how to create simple content. So we move on to the bonus section, which is the MRR and the PRR license. If you do not know what they stand for, MRR stands for Master Resale Rights, and PLR I'm speaking Dutch. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. In simple words, this means you have the right to rebrand and resell the pack. So you can use the pack for your own business, but you can also resell the pack as your own offer. It's important to always read the license term properly, because it's important to understand what you can do and what you cannot do. Now, one part I really wanted to include is the 60 days of personal support, because I know what it feels like to buy something and feel stuck. You may have the products, you may have the videos, you may have the guides, but then you get to a point where you think, okay, what do I do next? Is it my niche? Does the store look right? What should I post first? And everything. All the imposter syndrome start coming and hitting really hard. This is the point where I want you to book a free call with me. This is why I included 60 days where you can book calls with me directly. Not because I want you to depend on me forever, but because I want you to have the support while you are getting started. This is something I didn't have when I was getting started, so I want to offer this to people. And it will be intense, but I'm going to be there for each one of you. Sometimes just one conversation can help you stop overthinking and move forward. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is what is inside the Beginners Faceless Pack. I cannot show everything, obviously. I just show a few bits here and there. If you have any question about anything inside the pack, leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them. And if you feel like this is the starting point that you need, the link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and in the next video I will show you more practical steps like how to customize the product, how to set up your store, and how to start creating faceless content. Bye.